a business partner or vendor who has given something to either MACUHO or to a member institution of outstanding quality during the last year. Why am I giving out this award? Because I nominated the company. So they said, why don't you do it? I said, sure. This year's recipient of the 2023 Business Affiliate of the Year Award is Unlimited Restoration Incorporated. If your team can come up and join me up here. I will tell you a little bit about why I nominated them, and it'll make a little more sense of why they won it. So I'm not sure how many of you are aware, because our team is so good we can sometimes stay out of the press for things that should make press. But in May, one of my tallest buildings on campus at Temple Morgan Hall, 27 stories of splendor, a pipe burst on the 19th floor and flooded the entire building from 19 down to the basement. 44 apartments from the 19th floor down were basically ripped down to the studs. Water extraction, removal, carpets removed in half the building, the beautiful wood tiled ceiling, most of that got ripped down, has been replaced. We got the call at about 12 midnight. By 2 o'clock, our partner, Unlimited, had their team there. The flood took out all 4 of our elevators in the building. Not only did they have their team there, their team hoofed the 19 or 20 stories of the building with all the equipment from the basement all the way up. We didn't get an elevator back until, I want to say, the middle of June. So all of the work that they did from that loss in the beginning of, at the middle point of May, the first month of demolition and extraction and removal, they did it by walking up and down the stairs every day. Again, when we look at making partnerships with companies and we figure out who we have to connect with, and I tell you guys all the time, it's like flying on a plane. You need to know the instructions of how to survive before something happens on the plane. We've had a connection since before that flood based on prior work. You have to know who to call. When they answer the phone at 12 midnight and by 1:30 they've got the first team on site, and then they brought a tractor trailer up from Florida and parked it on our campus up until maybe the end of July. Again, I can't thank you guys enough for best part about it. So our insurance vendor that underwrites the insurance for the campus, they come in, they're doing their inspections, because of course they're paying for it, I'm not. And they get to the end and we open on time in August. No one knew, no one could tell, everything was done. And they got there and they said to me, hey, I don't know how y'all did this. We had estimated that it would be a 6-month recovery and you pulled it off in 3. It's them that made it happen. So thank you guys. Unlimited Restoration.